Take your music anywhere with confidence, from mountain trails to beachside bonfires. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best rugged wireless speakers that deliver powerful sound in a durable, weatherproof design built for adventure. Stay connected and entertained no matter how rough the journey gets. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Soundcore Boom Wireless Speaker. The Soundcore Boom Wireless Speaker is built for adventure, offering an impressive combination of power, durability, and immersive sound. Equipped with an 80-watt max booming bass, it features a 50-watt racetrack subwoofer supported by two 15-watt tweeters. The result is rich, deep bass and crisp highs that maintain clarity even at higher volumes. Basic 2.0 technology allows users to enhance the bass EQ, pushing the power from 60 watts up to a booming 80 watts. This 2.1 stereo setup is further balanced by smart crossover technology, ensuring a well-rounded and dynamic listening experience. Ideal for outdoor events, camping trips, or backyard parties, the Soundcore Boom delivers up to 24 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge. It also doubles as a power bank to recharge your phone or other devices, making it a convenient travel companion. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and a floatable design, this speaker handles splashes, rain, and even full submersion without missing a beat. Number 2. W-King Wireless Speaker. The W-King Wireless Speaker is a powerhouse built for bass lovers and outdoor adventurers alike. This speaker pumps out an impressive 120-watt max audio output, driven by 4 premium drivers, including 2 powerful subwoofers and 2 high-precision tweeters. The result is thunderous, rumbling bass and crystal clear highs that bring music to life. Whether it's hip-hop, rock, or electronic beats, the W-King D10 captures every nuance, ensuring a full-spectrum listening experience. A built-in DSP chip enhances the hi-fi sound profile, offering distortion-free audio even at maximum volume. The design also incorporates 2 passive radiators, pushing more air for deeper bass without unwanted noise. When paired with another D10 unit, users can achieve a staggering 240-watt ultra stereo soundstage, perfect for large gatherings, backyard parties, or events that demand crowd-filling music. The EQ mode provides further control, allowing users to fine-tune the audio to suit their preferences or setting. Rugged and adventure-ready, this speaker is built to handle the elements, and the sturdy body feels ready for outdoor use. With Bluetooth wireless capability and a generous battery life, it's ready for extended use at the beach, campsite, or tailgate party.
Number 3. Turtlebox Ranger Wireless Speaker. The Turtlebox Ranger Wireless Speaker is engineered for the wild, offering unbeatable sound performance and rugged resilience. Boosting an impressive 105 decibels of volume, this speaker delivers distortion-free audio that can be heard loud and clear even in open, noisy environments. Whether you're deep in the woods, on a boat, or tailgating before the big game, the Ranger ensures your music reaches everyone. What truly sets this speaker apart is its robust IP67 rating, making it waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, ideal for unpredictable outdoor adventures. The construction feels military-grade, with a built-in handle, tie-down anchors, and a compact form that makes carrying easy. Behind its toughness, the Turtlebox Ranger excels in battery life, providing up to 25 hours of playtime on a single charge, keeping your soundtrack alive from sunrise to long past sunset. For larger gatherings or a surround sound experience, Party Mode lets you connect multiple Rangers effortlessly, creating a synchronized audio setup. The bass is punchy, the mids are clean, and the highs remain detailed, even at high volumes. This speaker is not about gimmicks. It's built for performance, reliability, and loud, clean sound wherever you are. Number 4. TrebLab Wireless Speaker. The TrebLab Wireless Speaker is a dynamic and feature-packed option for music lovers on the move. With dual 75mm drivers, 30mm tweeters, and bass radiators, it produces deep, rich bass and clear highs, delivering a vibrant soundstage that's perfect for high-energy playlists. This speaker supports both Bluetooth 5.3 and AUX connections and includes a USB reader, giving you plenty of ways to play your favorite tracks. Designed for outdoor use, it boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, making it fully submersible and sandproof, perfect for beach trips, camping, or pool parties. It also functions as a power bank with a USB-A output, letting you keep your devices charged during long outings. The built-in RGB lighting adds visual flair, especially in evening settings, and the 60-watt output ensures the sound remains full and lively. Touch controls make operation intuitive, allowing for easy track and volume changes. Whether you're lighting up a picnic, setting the vibe at a party, or enjoying a solo hike, the TrebLab wireless speaker offers reliable performance in a rugged body. It's a top pick for those seeking the best rugged wireless speaker that balances power, fun features, and outdoor durability.
Number 5. Rockform Wireless Speaker. The Rockform Wireless Speaker is a compact yet rugged solution built for users who want simplicity, durability, and sound clarity all in one. This speaker features instant magnetic mounting, making it easy to attach to metal surfaces like golf carts, toolboxes, or gym equipment. No extra accessories needed. With an IPX7 waterproof and dustproof rating, it handles splashes and rain effortlessly. And the shock-resistant design ensures it can survive drops and bumps along the way. Inside, 2 8-watt drivers deliver crisp and balanced audio, suitable for background music during outdoor work, golf rounds, or small gatherings. While not the loudest on this list, it prioritizes audio quality at moderate volumes, and the sound remains clean and pleasant throughout. For those looking for the best rugged wireless speaker with magnetic mounting and reliable all-day play, the Rockform delivers big on convenience and resilience.